Welcome back to Daytime Ottawa here on Rogers TV. Today is World Oral Health Day. It's been celebrated since 2013, and here to tell us about why it's such an important day and, of course, to talk about oral health in general, I'm joined by Dr. Tanya Bracanovich. She is the owner and dentist over at Sparks Dental Clinic. Welcome, Tanya. Great to have you here. And let's start about the importance of that. Why is it important to have a day specifically to talk about the importance of oral health?
So, hello everyone, and thank you for having me. World Health Day is celebrated annually on March 20th, and it's today, so happy World Oral Health Day. It was established in 2013, sponsored and marketed by World Dental Federation. This day is very important because it's created to spread awareness about dental care and oral hygiene. People are educated with the different platforms how to take care of good oral hygiene, maintenance of oral health, and different treatments available. This year's theme is Be Proud of Your Mouth for a Lifetime of Smiles. And it's teaching people not to be obsessed about having a perfect mouth, but about having a healthy one. It's very important. Oral health is important. It's not just about the teeth. It involves oral health is related to head, face, and oral cavity. Maintaining good oral health is crucial to maintain overall good health and people's quality of life. It affects oral function and social interactions. It can affect chewing, appetite, sleep problems, could cause poor performance at school or work.
Let's talk about, that daily dental health, and looking after our teeth. And as you said, it's not just about our teeth, it's about our gums. So many things can get affected. There are many risks involved. So on a daily basis, Tanya, what should we be doing?
So it's very simple to remember 5 steps, important steps for good oral health. First one is brush your teeth twice a day using fluoride toothpaste, and it's important to floss at least once every day.
Okay.
You should eat a healthy, balanced diet. Number 3 will be to check your mouth regularly for any signs of gum disease or oral cancer. And of course, visit your dentist on a regular basis. And the last one is to limit alcohol and avoid smoking, smokeless tobacco, and vaping as well.
Dr. B, what are some of the signs? I think it's easy to see in our teeth, but not a lot of people necessarily look at, other parts of their mouth, for gums, for instance. What should we be looking for exactly to make sure that, we don't have gum disease or something's not beginning?
So we should be looking for, looking particularly in our gums for any amounts of traces of buildup, plaque left behind. We should look for bleeding gums, spacing the teeth in a later stage of gum disease. We should look at any lumps or bumps anywhere in the mouth, especially floor of the mouth, side of the tongue. But the most important thing is to visit your dentist every 6 months is what we recommend because dentist is the best person to evaluate those signs and see how serious, how important they are, and if they have to be addressed or not.
Do you think we're taking it more seriously than we have before? You've been in the business a long time now. A lot of technology has changed as well. What kind of growth have you seen over the years?
Well, we can see that preventative dentistry has come in place, and with all the promotional materials that, in particular, in province of Ontario Dental Association is offering through their website and commercials and social media. We have realized that oral health is very important. It's important to detect early signs of gum disease. It's not just dental decay as it used to be before. So it's overall propaganda as well. Everything we see on social media is directing us to live a healthier lifestyle and to remember that prevention is the best treatment.
A lot of people have this, I don't know why, because I love going to the dentist, my wife does as well, but some people, I guess, have this misconception, they're afraid of the dentist. How do you make somebody feel more comfortable when they're visiting the dentist? What sort of advice would you give to people?
So first of all, today's modern dental practice is much more inviting than what we used to have even 30, 40 years ago. So it's more inviting, more relaxing atmosphere, music, smell, equipment that's more modern and less torture looking alike. It's also a dental team that's very trained to be very inviting and making patients feeling more comfortable. There is a TV set in each room, usually, or on a ceiling, that will keep your mind off the procedure that's been going on. There's lots of explaining, introducing patient to the procedures that's going to be done or treatments recommendations. So it's more time spent educating and motivating patients to understand the importance of oral health procedures carried out as well. So I think that will reduce the anxiety. Plus, the fact that we try to encourage children, young children, to take care of their oral health. So generally, population, younger kids today, they have less bad experience with the dentist because less invasive work is carried on because generally they have a healthier dentition. So I think that helps as well.
Tanya, you're also the president of the Ottawa Dental Society. Tell me about what's the purpose of the society?
So Ottawa Dental Society is a voluntary professional organization that's representing dentists of the Ottawa region. It's dedicated to the highest ethical standards, involvement in community, and promotion of oral health care. So basically, with Ontario Dental Association has 39 component societies within a province, and Ottawa Dental Society is one of them. So we have approximately 600 dentist members, and we are enjoying spending time together, continuing education courses, and promoting ethical and professional excellence in dentistry for our community. Ottawa Dental Society holds many fundraisers and many different venues to promote oral health and fundraisers such as there is annual presence of Ottawa Dental Society at Ottawa Parent and Child Expo, where we give out pamphlets and informations about how to maintain oral health. At Women's Show.
And raise money for some great organizations as well. We'll be right back after this. Thank you, Tanya.